mga nag-itom, mga emo. May mga girly pops. Not a single thought in his head.
He doesn't even want to bother you.
Sige siya. Sige siya palit ang pagkaon.
Baby first bite. Baby first bite.
Nagpalit siyang tanghulo. Bisag wapa siya nakahuman siya. Turks. Lugay, makahuman ng kaan ay.
Bro, let's eat lunch and peace. Stop it.
Pila na ka nakakaon, Alexa. No, we're not gonna do just picture. Okay. Just a picture.
Ano din yan?
Sabi na ako mag-inato.
Why not?
Wala.
Dito ka na mag-inato, bro. Yeah.
Dash ka. In the side. Gigil sa cat. Understandable. Here we see the excited Zen for the cat. I've never seen him act like that.
I know, right? It's understandable.
Guys, here we see a Zen that we have never seen before. He is suffering from cuteness overload. Mark bata. So cute.
Oh my god, di makita sa kayo.
Cute, cute. More siya sibog ba? You know the sibog? Ay, nalim. Tanakay sila iring. Mga bata nagtanog iring.
Pinang-out. Lami. Ipaang yun. Wala bang tiro. Oh, libolin kayo. Babae na yung sanay.
Wow, the cute. Do they think?
What's up? Yo!
A woman stepped into the street and began to dance uncontrollably in 1518. She danced for days without stopping, and soon others joined her. Over 50 people were swept up in the bizarre dancing frenzy. The dancers moved with such intensity that some collapsed from exhaustion, and a